Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is VladTraveler.com, channel 2, well, the original channel 1, but and this is x715s Asus, and I will be showing you how to upgrade it with the SSD. This is actually a good laptop, well, good enough. Now here is the license, which I will be gluing with some crap tape. What can you do? Basically, what you need to do, this really is crap tape because you can see through it. Okay, just in case. There are a couple of screws, so let's unscrew every single one of them. This should be rather easy to disassemble. As you can see, all of the screws are of the same size, at least for the moment, so these ones are a bit shorter. This laptop actually feels like it has already been opened, but not by me, so okay, so far these 4 screws are shorter and the other ones are longer, and nothing is falling apart so far, which is nice. Usually this plastic tends to fall apart, so okay. I believe that this should be actually rather easy to upgrade. So okay, basically all of the screws except these 4 are of the same size, and this should probably pop up. Now I have here a prying tool, guitar pick, so let's see whether I'm right or not. Okay, okay. As I said, this opens rather easily, and you should probably be aware that there will be cable for the keyboard slash touchpad, so go figure. Okay, there you have it. Just a bit of nudging. Now here we have the keyboard connector and the touchpad connector. You just pull them up and remove them, and basically that is it. Okay, and there you have it. Now, in order to upgrade, what you need to do is just to remove this screw, and there is only one screw in here, and there are 2 in here, and basically that is it. Pull this thing, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Just a second. Unfortunately, it seems that you cannot upgrade because memory is already soldered on board, which kind of sucks. Well, not kind of, it does suck, but oh well. Check this out. You know, this screw looks like somebody screwed it by hand. And yeah, there you have it. This laptop now has the SSD, and I will be so 1, 2, 3 screws, and I will be place everything back, and you can remove the battery just by pulling this thing up, and there you have it. That is pretty much it. This laptop is rather clean because the owner is a lady that well, that it is clean. So okay, yeah, just a second, let's connect the keyboard in here. And all you need to do is to press. Okay. Basically, unlike Mac, this is the sound that you actually want to hear. So, okay, and let's try to turn it on to see whether this thing works or not. It seems it does. Okay. And I already did clone this drive, so it should start Windows instantly. And that is pretty much it. I won't be showing you the user, so